One vegetable, steady changes over time. This began on a late night when my meals were all over the place and my energy felt flat. I needed something simple, affordable, and consistent. Eggplant sat there, ignored for years. I gave it a fair try, not expecting magic, just hoping for balance. How it works in the body. Fiber feeds gut microbes and slows glucose rise. Eggplant, or aubergine, is rich in fiber and plant compounds like nicotine. Research in journals such as Food and Chemical Toxicology highlights its antioxidant properties, which may help reduce oxidative stress. According to the Mayo Clinic, fiber supports digestion and stable blood sugar levels. Effects depend on portion size and overall diet, not a single food alone. Here is what actually helped me. First, roasted slices with olive oil. Simple, filling, and easy to digest. One medium eggplant shared across meals worked well without heaviness. Second, grilled cubes with spices. Adding garlic and cumin improved taste and made it easier to keep the habit. Flavor matters for consistency. Third, light stir fry. Quick cooking preserved texture and avoided excess oil. Balance kept it sustainable. Fourth, pairing with protein. I added chicken or lentils to make meals complete. This helped energy stay stable longer. Fifth, weekly rhythm. 2 to 3 times per week was enough. Daily use felt repetitive, not helpful. Not all bodies react the same. Moderation keeps digestion comfortable. Possible downsides to watch. Bloating or sensitivity in some people. Before major diet changes, talk to a doctor, especially with digestive conditions. What change surprised me? Not rapid transformation, but smoother digestion and steadier energy. I tracked simple signs like fullness after meals, less snacking, and better consistency in appetite. Small wins added up. A bit of humor from my trial. I once overcooked it into a mushy disaster. Lesson learned, timing matters more than enthusiasm. The real takeaway is grounded. Eggplant can support a balanced diet with fiber and antioxidants, but it will not force instant changes. Progress comes from habits repeated calmly, not from one dramatic ingredient. Try it twice this week. Like and share if this helped. Simple food, steady results, real progress.